Hello, welcome to Techdive. This is Adam, and we're going to be giving away a copy of Movie Studio 15 Platinum. We're going to talk about the contest in a second, but first we want to tell you why we're doing this giveaway. So Steven and I have started this channel, Techdive, for computer enthusiasts, and which in our heads that's everything from video editing to gaming to computer building, all sorts of fun stuff. But that's a lot of different varied content, and the YouTube algorithm doesn't like that a whole lot. Now, I know that a lot of you guys watch a lot of our content, and we're super thankful for that, and we're super excited about that. But as you can see up here, we have our top videos are all tech reviews, and then we have a peppering of camera reviews, tech reviews, gaming videos, all sorts of stuff that really kind of hits the top of our sector here. And we want to get a little better focus. We're not taking anything away, all right? We're going to give you more. We're going to give you more of the tech videos, things like the Oculus Rift video. If you haven't seen it, I highly suggest it. It's exactly the kind of review we're looking to give you in the future. And we got videos like your power supply could be a time bomb, computer building videos that are, or case reviews, things that could really help you out if you're into PC building. But we wanted to focus more on production. We wanted to focus more on making how to use a mic, how to use a camera, how to use an audio mixer board. We wanted to do those videos and combine them with the Vegas tutorials and do more Vegas tutorials. But these videos, not only are these the videos that I create the Vegas tutorials from, so when I'm making the videos that aren't Vegas tutorials, like NES Nerd Out, so these are the videos I use as the fodder for my Movie Studios 15 Platinum and Vegas Pro tutorials. If you look here in this window, that's me right here. That's the same video. Different picture, but same video. That is how these tutorials are created. So this is Techdive AV Club. As you look here, you notice the subscriber count says 0. We need to fix that. This channel is about to have a lot of content. I'm working on a Movie Studio tutorial for this right now. This will be uploaded today, and it's going on this channel right here. So you don't want to miss this video. We're going to have tons more videos like this. This is the same stuff. It's just the AV Club for the people who are really, really interested in the audio video side of things. I want to cater to you guys and to give you more of the content you're looking for. Thank you so much for your support. We're going to talk about how to do the giveaway now. So we're going to have a link below, and it's going to go to a little simple screen that's got several ways to enter, including a Twitter entry and a Facebook entry. And when you do these entries, every entry will enter you into a drawing. And when your name is drawn, we're going to look for a comment under this video, all right? So under this video, the one you're watching right now, under this video, you're going to need to leave a comment of your most favorite Vegas tutorial I've done. You can leave a comment telling me about your favorite Vegas tutorial someone else has done, but for the contest, let me know about your favorite Vegas tutorial that I've done. That's going to help me understand what videos you guys are appreciating the most, because views tell me one thing and likes tell me one thing, but I really want to know from your own mouth like what video has helped you the most, and that will help me going forward on this new AV Club channel, that I can make these videos better suited to what you guys are really appreciating, what the subscribers are really liking. So if you're new to this channel, I would recommend going ahead and subscribing to both, because you're going to see all sorts of content and reviews that I think you're going to like. And if you're new to the AV channel, I'm super happy you're jumping on board. Thank you so much for your support. Steve and I are always appreciative of all the wonderful comments you guys have been giving and all the wonderful support you've been giving, and we want to just keep these videos coming out for you, and we want to do it unfettered. We want to do it without the algorithm punishing us for having varied content, and this is our answer. So we're the same channel, we're the same people releasing these videos. You're going to see Steven on this channel too a little bit. Don't worry, nothing's changing. Techdive's right here, and playlists are going to be down here from the main channel, Techdive. Every single Vegas tutorial is going to be available on a playlist on this channel. So everything should flow pretty seamlessly from the old Techdive channel to the new Techdive AV Club channel. When I say old channel, I mean this is still an active channel. We're going to still be doing all sorts of stuff on this channel. But it's not going to have tutorials anymore. The tutorials will be on the new channel. So please subscribe to the new channel. Let your friends know about the new channel. And I'll see you next time.